Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
Common phrasal verbs with hold, like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Hold over. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To extend or continue something. To keep something going beyond its expected end. Example, they decided to hold over the meeting for more discussion. 2. To delay or postpone. To move something to a later time or date. Example, we'll hold over the final vote until everyone can attend. Hold over. 3. To keep an office or position. To remain in a position beyond the usual term. Examples, the current board members were held over until new elections could be held. She was held over as chairperson for another term. Hold on. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To wait. Asking someone to pause or wait. Example, hold on, I'll be with you in a minute. 2. To grip tightly. To physically grasp something firmly. Example, hold on to the railing when you go down the stairs. Hold on. 3. To persevere. To continue or endure in difficult circumstances. Examples, despite the setbacks, they held on and finished the race. Hold on, help is on the way. Hold up. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To delay or cause a delay. Example, traffic held us up for hours. 2. To remain strong or well. Example, how are you holding up after the surgery? 3. To rob. Example, the bank was held up late last night. Hold out. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To extend or offer something. To present or offer something to someone. Example, she held out her hand to help him up. 2. To endure or last. To continue in existence or to persist. Example, our supplies should hold out until the end of the week. Hold out. 3. To resist or refuse to give in. Example, they held out against the new policy changes. He held out for a better job offer. Hold back. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To restrain or prevent. To stop someone or something from moving forward. Example, the security guards had to hold back the crowd. 2. To hesitate or not do something. To be reluctant or unwilling to act. Example, she wanted to join the conversation, but she held back. Hold back. 3. To keep something from being known. To withhold information or feelings. Examples, she decided to hold back some details about the incident. He held back his tears during the emotional speech. Hold off. 2 meanings depending on the context. 1. To delay or postpone. To decide not to do something immediately. Example, you might want to hold off on buying that car until next month. 2. To resist or repel. To keep something or someone at a distance or prevent an attack. Example, she held off the persistent salesperson with polite refusals. Hold on to. Meanings. 1. To grasp or cling to something. Physically holding something tightly. Example, hold on to the railing while you climb the stairs. 2. To retain or keep something. Not letting go of an object, belief, memory, or opportunity. Example, it's important to hold on to your dreams and never give up. Hold down. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To keep something in a fixed position. To physically keep something in place. Example, please hold down the button until the device turns on. 2. To maintain a job or responsibility. To manage and keep a job or task consistently. Example, She's been holding down 2 jobs to support her family. Hold down. 3. To suppress or control. To keep something from becoming too strong or overwhelming. Examples. They held down the excitement until the official announcement was made. He struggled to hold down his anger during the argument. Hold together. 3 meanings depending on the context. 1. To remain united or cohesive. To stay in one piece or maintain unity. Example. The old house is still holding together after all these years. 2. To withstand stress or pressure. To not fall apart under difficult conditions. Examples. The bridge held together during the earthquake. Hold together. 3. To withstand stress or pressure. To not fall apart under difficult conditions. Examples. She tried to hold herself together during the stressful meeting. Even in the face of tragedy, he managed to hold it together and support his family. Hold out for. Meaning. To wait until you get what you want, especially to reject lower offers or options in favor of something better. Examples. She held out for the perfect house, even though there were other options available. The athlete is holding out for a contract that matches his expectations. Hold with. Meaning. It means to agree with or support a particular idea, belief, or practice. Examples. I don't hold with the idea of working on weekends. He never held with the notion that success requires sacrificing personal life. Hold to. Meaning. It means to adhere to, follow strictly, or maintain a commitment, belief, or promise. Examples. She always holds to her principles, no matter what. The company promised to hold to its customer service commitments. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,